f of lambda x comma lambda y is equal to lambda to the power of n into f of x comma y. When the function satisfies this condition like lambda to the power of n, here n is belongs to z. N is belongs to, okay, n is belongs to, you may write real number. N is belongs to real number. Okay, but the lambda also a constant. Lambda is constant. Lambda also belongs to R. Here n is called the degree of homogeneous function. Degree of given homogeneous function like this function. Degree of this function. F of x comma y is a function. Then just find f of lambda x lambda y is equal to lambda to the power of n. N is belongs to R in whatever it is. If this condition you have to remember, if or you can write out, this is an important note important. If n is equal to 0, like a small n is equal to 0, the degrees becomes 0. So given differential equation, this dy by dx is equal to f of x comma y is called homogeneous differential equation. I'll give n number of examples, don't worry. So this is called, like when the function satisfying this condition like f of lambda x comma lambda y is equal to lambda to the power of n into f of x comma y, then that is called a homogeneous function. But when we can say the homogeneous function is homogeneous differential equation, the degree must be equal to 0. When the degree is becomes 0, then that is called, the function is called a differential equation. If degree is other than 0, then just it is a function. I'll give an example. Look at here. Some example. F of x comma y is equal to some x square plus y square by x plus y I'm taking. Is it function is homogeneous? Yes, we can find f of, how can we check that? By finding f of lambda x comma lambda y. Nothing but what to do here? In place of x replace lambda x, in place of y replace lambda y. So this is equal to lambda x square plus lambda y whole square by lambda x plus lambda y. Okay, what is the common in numerator? Lambda square x square.
Could you just explain why we should use lambda x and lambda y again?
So to check the given function is whether homogeneous or not, then this is the procedure. We have to replace x by lambda x and lambda y. Okay, then only we are going to know that given function is homogeneous or not. If it is homogeneous, then only we'll go for homogeneous differential equation. Otherwise, we cannot solve the differential equation. Okay, Kishore. Now, what is the common in numerator? X lambda square is common, then lambda into x plus y. Now, one lambda get cancelled. Finally, what is the answer we got? Lambda into. Can I write the remaining value again as f of x comma y? Yes or no? Both will be same. This is clearly belongs to f of x comma y. What do you observe here? F of lambda x comma lambda y is equal to lambda to the power of 1. What is the degree here? N is equal to 1. Is 1 is equal to 0? When we can say the function is a homogeneous differential equation, when degree is 0, but what is the degree here we got? 1. So what can we conclude here? Just it is a homogeneous function, but not homogeneous differential equation. Okay, it is not a homogeneous differential equation. First, some function may not be homogeneous function also. I am giving an example. F of x comma y is equal to same example, but I am taking x square plus y by x plus y. When you find your f of lambda x comma lambda y, so lambda x the whole square, is it a homogeneous function? By lambda x plus lambda y. So what is the common in numerator? Lambda is common. Okay. What is the remaining value? Lambda x square plus y by lambda into x plus y. Okay, fine. Lambda, lambda get cancelled. Now, is it equal to f of x comma y? Students, anyone? Is it equal to a given function? What is a given function? Just x square plus y. But here, lambda x square plus y by x plus y. Now, this is the example of it is not a homogeneous function because we cannot write lambda into something. Lambda into something. Here, it is not equal to f of x comma y. It's not satisfying the condition, so it is not a homogeneous function. Okay, I'm going to right now. Let us see the an exercise. First, everyone, you can observe that whether it is homogeneous function or not. In the given question, first you have to check the given function is homogeneous or not. If it is homogeneous, then only you can go through the procedure, right? Yeah, 9.5. Look at your students. Now, how can we say that the given function, how can we say that like, how can we identify the given function is differential equation or not? Very simple, students. I'm telling you logic. Okay, shortcut. So, in the given differential equation, remember, very important, how to identify whether given function is a homogeneous differential equation or not. Homogeneous differential equation means lambda to the power of 0, degree must be 0. Okay, simple. In all the degrees, in given differential equation, the degrees of the variable, like maybe x power or y power, the powers of the each and every term must be equal. The degrees, the powers are must be equal. Clear, students? Now let us see. First one, whether it is differential equation or not. How to check that? Right. What is the degree am I here? 2. What is the degree of second term? Yes, anyone?
For one.
No, it is not 1. It is also 2 because x power 1, y power 1, whenever it is product will be there, you can add. You can add both the powers. It is 2. Okay, then what is the degree 2? 2. Now in the differential equation, all the powers of the given terms are equal to 2. Though, so that is a differential equation. We can say directly here. This is y dash nothing but dy by dx. Okay. What is the degree here? 1. What is the degree here? Yes, 1. What is the degree here? 1. All degrees are same. In numerator or denominator, it may be numerator, it may be denominator, or else any other. So all degrees are same. Then only we can say that it is differential equation. What is the degree here? 1, 1, 1, 1. Differential equation 2, 2. Here 1 plus 1, x power 1, y power 2. So it is also a differential equation. 2, 2, 2. Here also 1 plus 1, 2. Differential equation. Whenever differential equation, then only we can solve. There is a procedure. Otherwise, we don't have any procedure. Like degree 1, 1. But what is the degree, students, here? What is the degree of right RHS? Yes? No. So this kind of question you can take separately, x square, root y square. You can take it. Square root get cancelled. Then what is x power? 1. Y power 1. Okay, like that you can consider it is 1. Okay, in RHS also the degree is 1. So what we can conclude here, it is a differential equation. Yeah, degree is 1. 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, so don't think about this bracket value. Just outside the bracket only how to check. Sign off that bracket. I'll tell you why we should check just outside the bracket. Here x power 1, degree 1, degree 1, degree 1. Here also degree 1, here degree 1. So that clearly it is differential equation. Here 1, here 1, here 1. Don't think about inside. 1, 1, 1. Yeah, differential equation. Here, yeah, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. No problem. It is differential equation. 1, 1, 1, 1. Differential equation. 2, 2, 2. Differential equation. 1, 1, 1. Differential equation. This is also 1, 1, 1, 1 differential equation. 2, 2, 2 differential equation. Yeah, here 1, 1 differential equation. But here, which of the following is homogeneous differential equation? Wonderful question. What is the degree? 1. What is the degree? Yeah, what is the degree of 5? 5 is a constant, no? What is the degree of constant? Students, what is the degree of constant? 0. 0. So here degree 0, here degree 0, here 1, 1. Is here all the degrees are same?
No.
All the degrees are same? No.
No.
So that it is not a differential equation. Second one. What is the degree here? 2. 1 plus 1, 2. But here 3, 3. All degrees are same? No. It is not a homogeneous differential equation. Here 3, here 2. Any two terms having different degrees, it is not a differential equation. We cannot solve. But at last, 2, 2, 2, 2. This is the right answer. I think have you got an idea about the differential equation? Differential equation. Whether given differential equation is a homogeneous or not. Homogeneous, got idea? All degrees are same. Homogeneous differential equation. Any one of the degrees not the same as other degrees, not homogeneous. First, it must be homogeneous. Then there will be a substitution method is there. The substitution method I am going to tell you. Okay, substitution method. There are two types of differential equations. There are two types of differential equation. Type 1, type 2. So how many types? Two types. What are the two types? Yeah. First one, dy by dx is equal to f of x comma y. Next one, dx by dy is equal to f of x comma y. Okay, dy by dx, here dx by dy. Okay, whenever it is dy by dx, with help of substitution method, we'll get the solution. What is the substitution method? I'm going to substitute here. What is the dependent variable? Y. What is the dependent variable? X. Here dependent variable is equal to v into x. Here dependent variable x is equal to v into y. Okay, dependent variable is y. Y is equal to v. Simple, only two steps here also, like variable separable. Like same as variable separable, only two steps. First, we have to identify it is homogeneous differential equation or not. If it is homogeneous differential equation, this is called, this is, students, this is homogeneous differential equation in y. It is called, because the dependent variable is y. Because the dependent variable is y. This is called homogeneous differential equation in x. The names will be there. Homogeneous in y, homogeneous in x. Okay, homogeneous y. Then whenever it is homogeneous in y, substitute y is equal to vx. Whenever it is homogeneous in x, substitute x is equal to vy. That's all. After taking y is equal to vx or x is equal to vy, see 99% of the questions, 99% of the question in NCERT and 90% of the questions in JEE in the form of homogeneous in y. Homogeneous in y. When I take here y is equal to vx, differentiate with respect, I am explaining the procedure here. With respect to what? With respect to x here. But here differentiate with respect to y here. When I differentiate with respect to x here, we have to apply right side is uv formula. Here also uv rule, because v also a function. Y becomes dy by dx, v into 1 plus x into dv by dx. V into 1. What is x derivative 1? Students, you must be remember this. When y is equal to Vx, then dy by dx, you have to remember that V plus x dy by dx. Now here also differentiate with respect to y means dx by dy is equal to same. With respect to y value is 1, then y into dv by dy. Students, again you have to remember these two. Substitute. What shall we substitute? That is important, right? Now, you have to remember. This is type 1, type 2. So type 2 may be asked like 10% of the questions from type 2. 90% will be type 1. So whenever it is homogeneous, what shall we do? By substitution method. What shall we substitute? Y is equal to Vx. Then what is dy by dx? Dy by dx is equal to V plus x dv by dx. All of you remember this. Okay. Let's coming to the, this is about the procedure. First, we have to check whether it is function or not. And one more thing you have to remember, important note. One important note again. Yeah, this is important. Every homogeneous differential equation is always homogeneous function. Converse need not be true. So what do you observe? Every homogeneous function is not a differential equation. Example, yeah, already I have given some example here. So what about this example, x square plus y square by x plus y? It is a just function because degree is 1. When degree is 0, differential equation. Other than 0, just function. So every function is not a differential equation, but every differential equation is a function. Then coming to exercise 7.5, first question. Okay. Uh, yeah. See, first one. The first one, what is the given function? First, every question in all the homogeneous, first we should write in standard form. What is the standard form? Dy by dx is equal to f of x comma y. I told you very clearly this is called the standard form. Means simply dy by dx at one side, remaining values you can take it other side. Got it, students? Dy by dx is one side and remaining you can take a other side. Okay, all of you, you can write in the form of dy by dx. It's simple, just dx can cross multiply. This x square plus x will cross multiply. Yeah, tell me on the first question. What is the first question? First question. X square plus xy dy is equal to x square plus y square into dx. Students, am I audible?
Yes.
Okay, see, already in this exercise we checked that every question is a homogeneous differential equation. What I told you, every homogeneous differential equation always function. So here every equation is a function, right? So this I am going to write, if we solve one problem, we can easily understand everything. So change it to standard form like dy by dx is equal to x square plus y square by x square plus xy. Let us take this is equation 1. Now I want to check whether it is function or not. We know that it is a function, but in NCRT, while writing the solution, you must be check that. How to check that? Okay, this, since we know that the differential equation always can be write in the form of dy by dx, f of x comma y. Okay, this RHS value I want to take as f of x comma y. If let f of x comma y is equal to x square plus y square by x square plus xy. Now I want to find, now I am going to check f of lambda x and lambda y. Okay, only one question, I'll write all the steps. Okay, next question onwards, directly I'll do the problem. Okay, right, f of v plus x by lambda x, the square plus lambda y, the square by lambda x, the square plus lambda x into lambda y. Got it? Now, it can be written as lambda square x square plus lambda square y square. See, when the all degrees are same, always you will get lambda power 0. Remember that. Lambda square x square plus lambda square xy. So, what is the common in numerator denominator? Lambda square. X square plus y square by lambda square is common. Like x square plus xy. Okay, then therefore, shall I write this value as f of lambda x comma lambda y is equal to, here, students, this lambda square cancel. And what about the remaining part, this one? This is clearly again the same function f of x y. Observe that. But f of x comma y. Lambda cancelled, but what I say, the degree must be 0. It should become like lambda power 0. We don't have any lambda terms, then is it a homogeneous differential equation? What should we get here? When you find that f of lambda x comma lambda y should be equal to lambda power 0 into f of x comma y, then only we can say that it is a function of degree 0. Is it a function of degree 0? Yes, students. Is there we having any lambda power 0? Yes. Is there any lambda power 0? Yes, Kishore? Yes, nothing will be there, so that we can write lambda power 0. What is lambda power 0? 1. Okay. So lambda terms must be cancelled in numerator and denominator. Then we can write as lambda power 0. Now, therefore, what can we conclude here? Clearly, equation 1 is a homogeneous function of degree. What is the degree, Amaya? What is the degree? Power 0. Degree 0. Homogeneous function degree 0. Then what about what can we conclude? Then equation 1 is represent. We can say that equation 1 is a represent homogeneous differential equation. So then what about the homogeneous differential equation? Is it in y or is it in x? Yes, students. Is it a differential equation in y or in x? Y. Okay. Y. Because dependent variable. So you have to write this is homogeneous differential equation in y. Important student, if you understood very clearly now, then higher study it becomes very easy. Okay, in engineering mathematics, you having like a homogeneous, again non-homogeneous, linear. Here you having linear and Bernoulli also there. Okay, and if you understood this concept, higher studies like a higher order derivative, like the second order, third order, fourth order. So in that also you are going to solve those equations. You need to find complementary function, particular integral, by taking auxiliary equations. Some auxiliary equation we have to consider. Okay, for that you should understand this concept now itself. For JEE purpose also important. These are the linear, homogeneous. These two methods very important. Okay, it is in y. So I am taking the given differential equation dy by dx is equal to x square plus y square by x square plus xy. Okay, this is the equation. Okay, this I already given. This is equation 1. But I told you very clearly with help of C, this is a type 1. So what shall we do? Substitution method. Let y is equal to vx. Now let y is equal to vx. Now differentiate with respect to, like as for the procedure, whatever it. So dy by dx is equal to v plus x dv by dx. Got it? Now these values, when I take dy by dx, y is equal to vx, dy by dx becomes like. So now replace your y by, in place of y substitute vx, and in place of dy by dx substitute this v plus x dv by dx. So from 1, what shall we do? Left side v plus x dv by dx, right side x square plus vx the whole square by x square plus
So,
x into
can you just
vx.
explain how we get dy by dx is equal to v plus x by dv by dx?
Yeah, this uv rule. You have to apply the uv rule. So what is the derivative of uv? U v dash plus u dash v. So what is your u?
V.
Sure. V into x derivative is 1 plus what is v? X. What is the u dash? U dash means v derivative. V derivative is dv by dx. Got it? With respect to x, v is independent.
Okay, sir.
Got it? Like that we'll write u variable. Okay, now I substituted. Now I'm going to see. I told you that variable separable is important. In a homogeneous, without variable separable method, we cannot solve. So what shall I do here? Right side is x square plus v square x square by x square plus x square into v. So what is the common here? X square is common. 1 plus v square by x square is 1 plus v. Got it? Now x square get cancelled. Here see students, left side is vx dv by dx. Now what I want to do, this v I want to take. In every question, LHS is fixed. V plus x dv by dx always. In entire this homogeneous, in this exercise, LHS you will get v plus x dv by dx only. In any question you can take, you will get the same value. After that, this v you can take right side. Then in LHS, the remaining value is x dv by dx is equal to, when I take, what is the remaining RHS value? 1 plus v squared by 1 plus v. This plus v, left side is plus v is there. When I take right side, it will becomes minus v. So now take LCM 1 plus v. Now 1 plus v square minus v into 1 plus v. Okay, the questions are quite lengthy but very easy. Only processor. You can approach the processor like so here. When I multiply 1 plus v square minus v square by 1 plus v. Now when I cancel these two, that here we got 1 minus v by 1 plus v. Left side is x dv by dx. So in every question, right side, we will get only the function in terms of v students. Not only this question, in entire exercise, we'll get after simplify, we'll get the function in terms of v alone. Now, is it see like in the question when you take the equation 1, can you able to separate the x variable one side, y variable another side? Students, is it possible in the given differential equation?
No.
Anyone? Can you able to separate the variable? No, we cannot separate. So variable separable method is not applicable. Not only this first question, you can take any question, you cannot separate the variable. Then only will come for the second method too. We cannot. This is an implicit function, not explicit. Explicit function means y is equal to f of x. We can separate x one side, y one side, but in these questions we cannot separate, so that we can go for homogeneous or linear. How to check that whether it is homogeneous? All degrees are same. Homogeneous. In linear, it's not like that all degrees are same. Only in homogeneous. Okay, when all degrees are same, you can go for a homogeneous. Okay, fine. Here, now here the possibility is there to separate the v variable one side, x variable another side. So see students, when I take v values left side, 1 plus v by 1 minus v into dv is equal to x variable other side, dx by x. And one more thing, first point is that, first point I told you very clearly, this v plus x dv by dx will get in all the questions. And second point is that we'll get dx by x alone in RHS in all the questions. All the questions. Now I'm going to take, this is equation 2. Students, I'm explaining very clearly. Here variables are separable or not? We separated v variable one side, x variable another side now. Then the solution of equation 2 is given by, integrating on both sides. You have to write like this. Okay. This term 2, which is objective as well as descriptive, so that we have to know all these steps how to write. So now I'm going to integrate here, integral 1 plus v by 1 minus v into dv is equal to integral dx by x plus c. Variable separable method, we know very well. Then how can I evaluate this, students? Anyone? 1 plus v by 1 minus v. Yes, students, you only tell me 1 plus v by 1 minus v. What shall I do here? How to find this? Shall I write here? Uh, shall I take minus common? Yes, when I take minus common, v plus 1 by v minus 1. I'm taking minus in denominator. dv. It's better to, you can take the constant, not only this question, in all the questions. Entire this exercise, better to take the constant as log c. Because when you take log c, right side is log x into c you'll get. Okay, you may take plus c also, that's your wish, but my advice is you better to take log c, then you will get log xc. All the question will get log xc only, log xc or log yc, that's all. Coming to here, now shall I write here this value as v minus 1 plus 2 by v minus 1 into dv minus. Now you can write it separately like v minus 1 by v minus 1. Write it separately. So v minus 1 by v minus 1 plus 2 by v minus 1 into dv. See, we can easily do, if it is objective question, we will write the solution within 3 to 4 steps. It is more than enough. But whereas in NCERT, we will get more number of steps, right? So now, so here get cancelled, then minus of bracket integral 1 dv plus 2 is a constant, you can take outside v minus 1 into dv is equal to log xc. Students, now you may take minus right side also, no problem. Integral 1 dv means this is v plus 2 times of log f dash of x by f of x, because v minus 1 derivative is 1. Log v minus 1 is equal to minus log x into, see this minus I am taking right side. After doing this, remember everyone, at last we have to substitute the v value. At last we have to substitute, because you know the question in terms of x comma y, the answer also we required in terms of x comma y. Got it? So y is equal to Vx means, which implies what is the V value? Y by x. Now replace this V by y by x. In place of V, substitute V by y by x. When you take here, like this minus law, you can take right side, so y by x. See, this is like m log a. I don't know what is the, this is m log a. So now log y by x minus 1 the whole square plus log x into c is equal to, shall I write 0? Now log a plus log b and y by x plus log, what is the LCM here? X is LCM. Y minus x the whole square into plus log c. This is log a plus log b from log eb. So y by x plus log of y minus x the whole square by x square, log ab formula into x into c is equal to 0. x1 x get cancelled. Okay students, can anyone tell that what is the answer they have given? Book back answer. Book back. Is Sriniti? Nitin?
Sir,
Yeah, what is the book back answer they have given? No one is responding. I don't know whether you are in the class or not. Then why are you attending the classes unnecessarily? At least in online, you should be active.
The correct only, sir. Why necessarily to ask? I need to ask many times. I don't know why.
So they simplified further, sir.
Simply,
So they simplified further, sir. So the answer is x minus y whole square is equal to cx e power y by x.
here y minus x whole square can be written as x minus y the whole square. Because power is there by x into c, you can take minus y by x. Okay, if you want to cancel log, take e, then get cancelled. Okay, so x minus y the whole square by x into c is equal to e to the power of minus y by x. Then x minus y the whole square is equal to x into e to the power of minus y by x. Yes, Vignesh, what is the answer they have given? X minus y whole square.
C into x into e power minus y by x.
C
Sir,
is a
the c came
constant.
in numerator, sir. Right side numerator.
Okay, you may write C is a constant anywhere you can write. Even you can write C in powers, C is here, C is here, C is here, here. Okay, it is C is a constant. Okay, so C into E, X into E. So you may write like this also. This is also a correct answer. This is also a correct answer. So we don't know where shall we stop here. This what I have written answer. This is also 100% right. You may stop if you don't know that. Stop here only. Got it?
but you should replace at last the v value y by x. Okay, ma'am. Otherwise, the question is in terms of x comma y. The answer also must be in terms of x comma y, not in terms of v. So what I've done, once again, this is important. If they ask any question for 5 marks, surely they'll ask from either linear or homogeneous, not in variable separable. So this I have written in standard form, dy by dx is equal to f of x comma y, and f of x comma y is equal to x square plus y square by, like I have written that. After that, you must be checked whether given function is homogeneous function or not by finding the value of f of lambda x comma lambda y. So this is equal to, we got lambda to the power of 0 into f of x comma y. So clearly it is homogeneous function of degree 0. Then only we can say that this is homogeneous DE, differential equation. When degree becomes 0, it is a function as well as differential equation in which variable y, numerator in y. So whenever it is homogeneous differential equation in y, then substitution method, with help of substitution method we can solve. What shall we substitute here? The dependent variable is y, so that y is equal to vx. Then differentiate with respect to x, because dy by dx, denominator is dx is there. So differentiate with respect to x, no. So we got dy by dx is equal to v plus x into dv by dx. Okay, right? Then so x into dv by dx is equal to this v value I'm taking right side. In all the question we'll do like this, and we'll get like this. Then take LCM and simplify. So now, so we'll get the equation like this. Now you have to separate. When you separate x variable and v variable, okay, separately, like always we are going to get like dx by x other side. Started recording. So then after separating the variable, we know the concept. We have to get the solution, we have to integrate on both sides. So I integrated on both sides. When I integrated on both sides, so just evaluate. Okay, so you know very well regarding to the integration because we completed. I think so you also practiced a lot, all the problems. So compared to that integration concept, these integrations are easy. Other than like one or except one or two problems, remaining all integrations are easy. So here I have evaluated integration value on both sides. So finally I have written the answer in terms of x comma y, because at last you have to replace v value by y by x. V value, v is equal to y by x, and simplify. This is the required answer they have given in the textbook. Okay. So don't worry about that book back answer. Sometimes you may not be get book back answer, but your answer is correct. This is right answer. It is 100% right answer, but it is not there in book back. Don't worry. Yes, every year most of the students they are asking about this. Sir, I am not getting the book back answer. I'm getting some other answer. No. But up to that, at least you have to do correct it. I hope that it is very clear. Having any doubts, you can ask. Very clearly, I explained you.
Sir, if you stop in the last before step, any mark is inside.
Yeah, you'll get full marks. Center marks you get. If it is 3 marks, 3 out of 3, 5 marks, 5 out of 5. Okay. Say I'm going to give some homework. Say, and also see students, how can we check that whether it is in y or whether it is in x? Whether it is in y, my question is whether the given differential equation in y, homogeneous in y, homogeneous x. Very simple
All right,
students.
I think it's time for the next period.
I think
Uh,
second period maths, am I right?
oh yeah. Yes.
Yeah. Students, here some questions like this kind of question: y by x. Y by x means y is numerator. So this is homogeneous differential equation in y. Some question like see e power x by y, x by y. This is homogeneous differential equation in x alone, okay. Now, here y by x, cos of y by x. This is in y, numerator variable 1. But this is numerator x. This is homogeneous differential equation in x. Okay, whenever it is x, what shall we substitute? What shall we substitute? X is equal to Vy. Am I right? This is the answer. What shall we substitute here? Y is equal to Vx. Nothing but simple. How to say that, sir, how can we say that here x is equal to Vy? Very simple, students. Whatever the value they have given, x by y you can equate into V, which implies x is equal to Vy. That's all. Here also, to substitution method, y by x is given, y by x is equal to V, then y is equal to Vx. That's all. Even here also, take by substitute x by y is equal to v, then substitute x is equal to vy. Here also you can take y by x is equal to v. Like that only we'll do. Now, okay, I'm going to, so you have to do question number 2, question number 3, question number 4, okay, even question number 5. I'm going to do now question number 7. And I'll check your homework. Class test will be there on Monday. I plan to conduct today, but the typist is busy with some other work. I'm going to conduct on Monday. You should be ready. The topic is tangent and normal and increasing, decreasing from applications of derivative. Okay. The reference book already given for you, Adi Sharma, I think. Am I right? You try to solve the problems in Adi Sharma. Got it, students? Yeah, question number 7. X cos of y by x. Can anyone tell that? X cos of y by x. Question. Yes, Aditya. Aditya, you can tell me the question. Aditya. No response.
So plus y sin by plus
No.
y sin.
I called some names. No, those students only tell the question. Trisha, tell me the question.
Plus y sin y by x
Y sin y by x
into y dx
into y dx.
equal to y sin y by x
Y sin y by x.
minus x cos y by x
Y by x
into x dy.
into x dy.
X dy.
Good. See here, y by x is there, y by x. So that we should represent the given differential equation in the form of dy by dx is equal to f of x comma y. Left side must be dy by dx, not dx by dy, because y by x is there. Okay, so I'm going to write then here dy by dx is equal to, what is dy is there? This dx can cross multiply, remaining total value can take left side. Okay, then left side already it is x cos of y by x plus y sin y by x into y, all divided by right side y sin y by x minus x cos y by x into x. Now this is equation 1. So what shall we do here? Same students here. We have to find, we have to check f of, let us take this is f of x comma y. We have to check whether the given function is homogeneous function or not by finding f of lambda x comma lambda y. So replace x by lambda x here, lambda x cos of lambda y by lambda x plus lambda y sine of lambda y by lambda x into lambda y all divided by lambda y sine lambda y by lambda x minus lambda x, replace x by lambda x, y by lambda y, that's all. Here lambda y by lambda x, got it? Into lambda x. See students, when I take here lambda, lambda get cancelled. And when I take lambda is common in numerator, lambda is common in denominator, get cancelled. This is nothing but what is the remaining value? Remaining value is clearly the given question, that is f of x comma y. Lambda terms are cancelled. Even in the bracket also you can say lambda lambda cancel, lambda lambda cancel. Here also lambda lambda cancel. Just we'll get here. So final f of x comma y only. So nothing will be there, so that we'll write lambda to the power of 0. Replace x by lambda x, y by lambda y. Okay, clearly what we can conclude here, equation 1 is a homogeneous function of degree 0, then equation 1 is a homogeneous differential equation. I'll be post this notes in your classroom. If you get any doubts, you can go through the steps. So I'm going to do directly now. Okay, now I'm going to take the equation 1. What is the equation 1? From 1. Otherwise, I want to do one thing. Like I want to take direct, let y by x is equal to v, which implies y is equal to vx. Again, differentiate dy by dx is equal to v plus x into dv by dx. UV rule. Okay, now in equation 1, you have to replace dy by dx by, always dy by dx becomes v plus x dv by dx. And when I replace here, v plus x dv by dx is left side, that is dy by dx value, and replace here y by x is equal to v and y is equal to vx. Y by x is equal to v. Here you have to substitute v, but this y is equal to vx. X as it is. Here same v, here also v. So here vx. In place of y, substitute vx. In place of y by x, v directly. Y by x, v directly. So here x cos. Now right side is clearly x cos v plus, what is the question, x cos v plus y nothing but vx sine v into sin v into v, y nothing but vx, all divided by, again bracket, y sin y by x, y nothing but vx sin y by x means v minus x cos v into x. I have replaced y by x by v. Now here, shall I cancel here students x and x? What is the common here? X is common. Take x common numerator, x common in denominator, get cancelled. I cancelled it directly. I have cancelled directly. Then remaining x dv by dx is equal to right side remaining value is cos v minus v sin v into v divided by v sin v minus cos v. It is easy question, student. It's not at all difficult. See, This v value here itself I am taking right side, minus v. What I have done, I have replaced y by x by v, and y is equal to vx in equation 1, because equation 1 is a homogeneous differential equation. Now x dv by dx is clearly equal to, now take LCM. What is LCM here? V sin v minus cos v. And when I take here LCM and multiply with v here, multiply with v, can multiply with v this cos v into v. So v cos v minus v square sin v. Okay, when I take LCM, I want to multiply directly, minus v square sin v, minus into minus plus v cos v. Students, is it clear? Sign and everything is clear, Amma? Got it? Sorry. Minus only. Minus into minus plus. This is minus. Anyhow, let us see now. Here we are getting differently. I don't know whether. Okay, right. Now, what shall I do here? 2v, 2v sin v. So, 2v is common. 2v is common. Then 2v common, this is cos v minus v sin v. Otherwise, when you take here, like, okay, you can write here minus 2v square. Yeah. Which one here? Yeah, v into v. Just I'm taking LCM. This is clear. Although like cos v minus v sin v into v by v sin v. After cancelling this, remaining v here. Okay. Now I want to multiply with v here. When I multiply with v here, v into cos v is v cos v. V into v square. V square sin v. When I take LCM, v into v square sin v. Minus into minus plus v into cos v. By v sin v minus cos v. Okay, what is the common, students, here? Anything is common. Shall I take minus 2v is common? Minus 2v is common. When I take minus 2v common, v sin v minus cos v by v sin v minus cos v. Can I cancel these two? Finally, we got it minus 2v. See, all of you check that whether I'm doing anywhere is mistake or not. These questions we have to do very carefully, right? Okay, now is it difficult to separate the variable? No, you can separate the variable. dv by v is equal to minus 2 into dx by x. Take x terms at one side. So let us take, this is 2. Now, x terms one side, v terms other side. Clearly variables are separable. By taking, adding constant, integrating on both sides, then this is log v is equal to minus 2 times of log x plus log c. Okay, this 2 log x take a left side, and otherwise substitute v value. What is v again? Y by x is equal to, we are taking as v. Now substitute v value always y by x. Y by x plus 2 log x minus 2 log x, I'm taking left side, is equal to log c. Now 2 log x can be written as log x square log c. Log AB formula, log y by x into x square is equal to log c. Now get cancelled now. So one x is here. So xy is equal to c. xy is equal to c is called rectangular hyperbola. The equation is rectangular hyperbola. Yeah, once look at the book back answer students, what is the answer they have given? Yes.
Sir, xy cos y by x is equal to c.
xy cos
Y by X is equal to C.
xy cos y by x. Where we have done is question is correct. Okay. Okay, fine. Let us check once. We have done 100% right, but maybe we'll check it once. So when I cross multiply it, so x cross will be x. Okay, yeah. X v x y by x is v. Okay. Students, I have done one mistake. Anyone identify? No one. Yes, Mithun, where I have done the mistake? Mithun.
Sure.
Where I have done the mistake, Mithun? Rutika, where I have done the mistake?
So in the second step, instead of plus, you took minus.
Yes, Rutika? No response. Yeah, Ritvik Sharon. Ritvik, see students, you can take as minus here then. So clearly the remaining part and all you have to do. Okay, so here I'm going to take the question here. I'm changing the question. The whatever the book they have given the question, you can do it because we have done the solution and everything. And what I'm doing here, I'm changing the sign. Minus. It is a function in that no doubt minus. Minus. Here also minus. Now our answer is correct. Now instead of this, you can take that plus, then here v square plus v square minus v square get cancelled. That question and all you have to do. Then 2v cos v by v sin v minus v, you can cross multiply, you can divide it. That is easy only. Not at all difficult. So coming to the, we'll do one question like y by x, okay. What about question number 10, students? Tell me the 10th question. Ritvik Sharavanan. Yes, Ritvik. Okay, see students, whatever the names I'm calling you in next class, surely I'll call the same person in the classroom. Ritvik absent, he's just he entered into the classroom, I think so. Yeah, Tarun.
Sir, I'm here.
Sure, yes, sure.
Then what happened, Sharwan, Ritvik? I asked the question, no?
Sir, I went from the bathroom and now only I came. Sir.
As it is question, you can do other. Yeah, homework questions are like first, sorry, second one, third, fourth, and fifth. Question number 10 here not given properly. Uh, right. Tarun, tell me the question next. Question number 10.
Sir, 1 plus e power x by y
E power x by y
into dx plus e
plus,
power x by y
okay,
into 1 minus x by y
okay, minus x by y.
into dy is equal to 0, sir.
Okay, fine, fine. This is question number 10. See, easier, let us take this is equation 1, equation not in standard form. Not in standard form. Easier equation 1, we are going to change in the form of dy by dx, dy by dx or dx by dy. Yes, easier we
dx
have
by dy, sir.
dx by dy. Very good. Because you know your x by y is there, so that change to dx by dy. So first this value you can take it outside right side. So 1 plus e to the power of x by y dx is equal to e to minus e to the power of x by y 1 minus x by y dy. Dy you can take left side this 1 plus. So finally dx by dy is equal to, when I multiply minus inside, so this is e power x by y into x by y minus 1 by 1 plus e to the power of x by y. Let us take now it is equation 2. Or else let us take this is equation 1 only. After changing into the standard form, let us take equation 1. So now clearly what about linear equation 1? So first what shall we do? First again same f of x comma y is equal to this e to the power of x by y minus 1 by 1 plus e to the power of x by y is homogeneous function or not. Yeah, you have to find f of lambda x comma lambda y. When you substitute in place of lambda x, x lambda x and y by lambda y, it cancel again, we'll get the same value, like we are going to get same like this. Then now you have to write clearly given function is homogeneous. After that, what shall we do? Clearly equation 1 is homogeneous differential equation in which variable? In x. Then consider what shall we substitute, students, here? X by y is there. Same that x by y is equal to, we can take as v, which implies x is equal to vy. Now whenever x is equal to vy, which implies dx by dy is equal to p plus y into dv by dx. Got it? As simple. Dx by dy is equal to v plus y dv by dx. Substitute in equation 1, replace x by y by v, that's one. Dx by dy by v plus So from 1, we shall substitute here. Left side is v plus y dv by dx clearly equal to e to the power of v into v minus 1 by 1 minus e to the power of v. Yes or no? Check it once. Not the minus in denominator. X by y you can replace with v. This is plus. Am I right? Replace x by y v. So now same pressure, this v you can take right side. Y dv by, sorry here dv with respect to y, this is y not x, y. Because we have to differentiate with respect to y, here y. Carefully, okay. So when I multiply with e power v into v minus e to the power of v by 1 plus e to the power of v minus v. This plus v becomes minus v. Okay, all of you simplify this. Simplify and separate the v variable one side, y variable another side.
Sir, could you scroll it up, sir? Thank you, sir.
This is an example of homogeneous in X. What is LCM here? 1 plus e to the power of v. V e to the power of v minus e to the power of v. Yeah, minus v minus v e to the power of v. When I take LCM, v into 1 minus v into e power v minus. Now can I cancel these two? Yes. After cancelling, here we got y dv by dx, dv by dy is equal to minus you can take outside. Okay, right. E power v plus v by 1 plus e to the power of v. Now, can I separate the variable? It's very easy to separate the variable. Take y variable another side. So 1 plus e to the power of v by v plus e to the power of v into dv is equal to minus dy by y. Once again, you can observe I separated v variable and y variable. Now, after separating, integrate by adding constant. I told you it's better to take log c. Any doubts here, Ilya? Now, what about this? What is the integral value here? Derivative of v is 1. Derivative of e power v is e power v. Yes, Devata, can you tell me the formula for f dash of x by f of x?
Sir, it would be ln of f of x, sir. Log of f
Yes,
of x.
yes, exactly. So log mod, the derivative of denominator having numerator v plus e to the power of v is equal to minus log y plus log c. So yeah, Naveen Raghav. So what shall we do, Naveen, here? Shall we take here the log y is left side and what is the v value? What is v value finally? V.
Sir, y e power x by y.
V value substitution at last see here. What is
EV plus v into y
v
is equal
value
to c. Sir, then
x by y. V value directly x by y. Okay. So V value is x by y, e to the power of x by y. Take here log y is left side plus log y is equal to log c. Now you can apply the formula log a plus log b, log eb. Okay, now you can take LCM over here. When I take LCM y, x plus y e power x by y. This is one. And log a plus log b, log ab. This is a. I have taken LCM. This is log a, log c. Can I cancel here this log? Yes. Y get cancelled. So finally, what is the answer? X plus y e to the power of x by y is equal to c. So what is the book back answer they have given me? Book back. We are going to do n number of problems based on this homogeneous. Don't worry, if you have not understood any step,
Sir,
what is the
y
answer they
by
have given?
x power x by y plus x equal to c. So correct only,
X
sir.
by y. When you take LCM, you'll get okay. Right answer. Once again, so in the question x by y is there. Whenever x by y is there, linear in homogeneous in x. First change to standard form by observing that LHS must be dx by dy. Okay, after that I checked that whether it is homogeneous function of degree 0 or not. Yes, we surely will get. So after that it is a homogeneous differential equation in x, and take that x by y is equal to v. Then v x is equal to vy, cross multiply, uv rule, differentiate with respect to y. With respect to y. So this dx by dy clearly equal to this value. Now replace dx by dy value and x by value in equation 1 will get like this. After that same common procedure, take v right side, take LCM, simplify v variable one side, x variable another side, or y variable another side. Then with help of variable separable method, integrating on both sides, then we'll get the answer. At last, don't forget to replace v value. Don't forget to write v value. Okay. Any doubts here? Yeah, we have 8 more minutes. Now, okay, I'm going to do some a particular solution problem, like variable separable, whatever we done in a homogeneous also same student till general solution. Till general solution it is same. After finding the general solution, when you substitute x and y value, you'll get c value. You'll get c value. In above questions, we got the c value. Yes or no? We got the c value. Here also we'll get find the first general solution. At last, you can replace x and y. We'll get the particular solution. Same. But how to find general solution? As it is, like change it to standard form. After changing into standard form, then substitute. Okay, I'm going to do question number 13. Question number 13. Yeah, Gokul. Tell me the question. Otherwise, we'll do the 14th one, then we'll go for 13th one. Question number 13 is not clear. First we'll do it, then we'll go for that. All of you change it to standard form like this y by x. You can change it to right side. Take dy by dx minus y by x plus plus cosecant y by x. 0. Now dy by dx is equal to plus y by x minus cosecant y by x. Let us take 1. Now again take the RHS value. Yeah, this RHS value you can take as f of x comma y. Then you can find f of lambda x comma lambda y. When you substitute lambda x, lambda y, lambda get cancelled. Here also lambda. Surely we are going to get lambda to the power of 0 x comma y. So clearly it is a homogeneous function in homogeneous differential equation in y or x. Is it in y or x? Y. Now, so what shall we substitute? Already here, don't worry to take that substitution value. Already y by x is given. Y by x is equal to, you can take as b. This kind of question, these are the advantage. Already y by x is there. Y by x is equal to v. X by y is there. That x by y is equal to v, which implies y is equal to vx. Whenever y is equal to vx, dy by dx is equal to v plus x dv by dx. Differentiate on both sides with respect to x, we got like this. Now substitute all these values in equation 1. From 1 dy by dx value is v plus x dv by dx is equal to y by x is v minus cosecant of v. I substituted directly y by x by v. Now students, shall I cancel directly v? Yes. So remaining x dv by dx is equal to minus cosecant of v. Now this you have to separate the variable, which implies it can be written as 1 by cosecant v is dv is equal to minus of same dx by x. Right side it should not be changed, dx by x only or dy by y. Now clearly here, which implies, yeah, we have to divide this. Now, which implies 1 by cosecant means sine v dv is equal to minus of dx by x. Now here clearly variables are separable, then integrate on both sides by adding log c constant. Sine v is clearly minus cos v is equal to minus log x plus log c, or else you may take plus c also. While finding the particular solution, either you may take log c, you will get correct answer. You may take simply plus c, because particular solution we have to find the c value. Okay, so which implies log x minus cos v, what is v value? At last v plus v value, that is y by x is equal to c. Let us take this is equation 2 something. Yeah, equation 1, equation. So equation 2 is what? It is a general solution. To get the particular solution, already they have given value y is equal to 0, x is equal to 1. Y is equal to 0, x is equal to 1. Substitute y is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1 in the general solution. Then you are going to get log 1 minus cos 0 by 1 is equal to c. What is c value, students? Log 1 0 minus cos 0 is 1 is equal to c. So finally, which implies c is equal to 1. C is equal to 1. This c value again substitute in equation 2. 1 or minus 1? Minus 1. Finally, log x minus cos of y by x is equal to minus 1. Got it, students? So once check the book back answer, what is the answer they have given? Is it right? Okay, once check it, and the homework questions are second, third, fourth, and fifth, as well as you have to do 11th and 12th. Okay. So the we need to complete the syllabus.
Sir, after
by
that we can simplify it. Sir.
first. You may simplify. Take cos right side. We are going to get something. What is the answer they have given?
Sir, one we can take as log e, then left side we can put it, sir. So
Oh, okay,
log
okay,
e.
okay, okay, okay. I think they have given like that. Oh, okay, okay, okay. Yeah, one you can write as log e. Take log e left side. Log x plus log e. Log x is equal to cos of y by x. Okay, you can do like this. Students, Monday will be class test mostly. Okay, you'll be ready in think merit. Mostly Monday also, after going to home, just I'll be conducting 20 minutes. Maybe it's 4 to 4:30, 4:20 or else 4:30 to like 4:50. Let us plan that. Okay, ma? Shall we wind up the meeting?
Thank you, sir.
Thank
Yeah.
you, sir.